So,
what we got?
We got MBRP 4-inch exhaust. We got this through our friends over at Pro-Fab down in New Port Richey.
Yeah, big bitch.
All the clamps and hangers. These are for the stacks. They're gonna go out of the bed.
This is exhaust tip that goes to one.
Fucking monster shit. Ugh.
Perfect.
I mean,
Just what we ordered.
right?
There's the down pipe.
Yeah, that's a down pipe.
I'm way shorter than that.
I'm guessing we'll figure out where all these go once we get on the truck.
Yep.
I don't think it comes with any installation instructions. That'd be my guess.
Should be pretty simple.
I think that probably goes over the axle. What do you reckon?
You know, I think you're right on that.
With a hanger? Yeah, that's definitely got to go over the axle, right?
Yep.
If that goes over the axle, this probably goes.
Exactly what we're not going to use.
A resonator.
So the problem is we ordered a F550 exhaust, which is a 200 base.
Nope.
No?
Nope. Cabin chassis is only the 200, so this should be perfect. MBRP. Let's see.
Oh, those are some huge chambers.
That's fucking wild,
They're
right?
so big. That's what she said.
No instructions,
I don't know
right?
what you're talking about.
There might be something in here. What's this?
Stickers.
Stickers. Something else on the yellow. Maybe it does. What piece goes where? Holy potatoes, Batman.
What do you say? Give you a lot of stuff to secure it.
Ooh. Give us a sticker.
A stacker.
Let's see.
Ever so slightly bent to fit just right.
Apply a penetrating lubricant to all fasteners, hangers, and insulators. Loosen the nut on the band clamp located behind the catalytic converter. Remove the muffler and tailpipe. Cut the stock exhaust behind the muffler and remove the tailpipe. Separate the slip joint behind the cat and remove the remaining section. Well, we're just going to cut that anyway because it doesn't matter. Remove the downpipe from the turbo by removing the band clamp. Retain the band clamp for installation of the new downpipe. Perfect. Cut the downpipe in front of the transmission crossmember to remove. Stock downpipe can be removed in one piece by removing the transmission crossmember if you desire.
We do not.
We got two good places.
Install the downpipe in the same position as the stock downpipe and attach the flared end to the turbo using the stock band clamp. Do not fully tighten, which we understand. Attach the mid pipe to the downpipe. Sure.
Mid pipe.
I was gonna think that.
Yes. Got more. Well, shouldn't go.
No.
So no, that's the end.
That's the end.
The muffler goes on that end, right?
Here we go, here we go, here we go. That is right. That is right. That is the mid pipe. We use one of these guys.
You just tighten so much of that.
So, and then the straight piece is number 352. So that's the third piece. Then after that is number 4, which is this pipe. Then the muffler. So one, let's do an order. 1, 2, 3, 4. Tip goes on the end of that, 5.
I can't
hold and.
Okay. Back up. Right there.
Much better.
Want me to go up top by the turbo and hold them?
No, I definitely want the different blade. Beautiful.
This one too.
One even better.
You want me to get on that side and hold that?
So I need this held somehow. Even if you got up top and held it tight up there or something, I don't know. I literally just got this last. I don't know what's happening there. She was staying on. This hoe was in send it mode. Okay. Guess you need some maneuvering from the top. Yeah, I think so. Push that. There you go. That's better.
Winner.
Whoop whoop. Some blue light. Yeah. Used truck problems. Look at this.
Don't we have an extra one from when we went to Advance to get two?
Yeah, but not like this, but this is all one piece. He's got this bracket up here, and you have to. We can take it apart and look at it though. Let's do that. Need a, I feel like a 15 Hodet.
Pull on it. Pull on it again real quick. Alright, perfect. Leave it right there. I just clipped it back. I clipped it into place. Try and pull it now. Perfect.
Oh,
no.
lied. It felt real good for a second.
Pull it real quick again, real quick. Okay, wait. Just have to keep tightening it, make it super tight, that's all. Should be able to get the easy run in there.
That got way better.
Now pull.
Okay.
That seems tight to me, sir.
And the good news is, I think
You go right
this
here.
one bracket, include this bracket, include this fucking position.
So we clear everything.
It's almost like we've done it before.
Next.
Which would be what?
The long one.
This one?
Yeah.
It would have to be this one.
No, because it goes.
But there's 2 exhaust hangers in this.
The instructions are right there, bro.
I was grabbing them, but you said you knew what you were talking about.
So this is the long one, eh?
You told me to look at the instructions.
But I said this one and you doubted me.
I always doubt you. For reasons I'm not going to say on you. All of them.
Explorer. Yep.
Time for baby.
Now, just give me a little kick or punch from that end, just to make sure. Okay.
Now, did I leave the 15 socket down here?
I don't think so. Maybe. I don't see it, Blue Bear.
We will find it.
That one. And this one goes.
So, Zach and Josh have decided to just straight pipe the truck.
Temporarily.
There's one of the rear hangers is broken just after the axle. So, this one will be going on right at the moment. So it'll just be a straight pipe to about here. And they're going to be taking the car to a muffler shop to have the piece that holds the hanger welded back in. Then they're going to put the tailpipe on and the muffler. But otherwise, on a difficulty of 1 to 10, how would you mark this?
Like a 5.
5?
Just nuts and bolts.
What about you, Boo Boo? How would you rate this install, like difficulty-wise?
Oh, it's pretty straightforward, except for that V-band kit.
I said a 5. I said just nuts and bolts.
Okay.
I'd say yeah.
Okay. So the biggest problem being the V-band, otherwise it's pretty straightforward. But there you have it, guys. That's the piece that's missing. Be sure to
I'll put that in the box. Put the box.
go online to ecobeastbuilder.com, pick up some keychains, and if you're a show owner, pick up a battery tie down.
Yep.
There it is. Done.
And we're gonna be
Oh,
coming
we
out
gotta-
with stickers that say Gap Sanders that we're gonna put on the back of everyone's car since he can't drive. You didn't know that yet.
If anybody's interested in a Gap Sanders sticker, leave a comment down below. We may make that a thing.
I'll buy one.
I'm gonna make it a thing when I'm selling it.
I love you, Z-Sir. You gonna get a sound clip? Somebody needs to grab the keys.
Zima. Who's got the key to that Zima?
Do it, bro.
Now hold on 1 second. Let me get this last fucking tool up.
Okay. I had a black truck face.
He's about to do it, children.
Ready?
Doesn't really sound that different.
Very little.
I mean, that other one was straight pipe too, so.
Very little difference for sure.
Yeah, it's already 3.5 straight pipe.
Give it some.
It's not gonna be able to roll coal on anybody now. It's gonna roll coal.
No, just gonna
all
roll
over
coal
the axle.
everybody.
All over the axle.
Right.
God, that's filthy. Another one we're about to get. Did they do that last time? Yeah. Hit almost.
They're not all the way up.
Huh?
They're not all the way up. Huh?
Not as long.
Oh.
Sounds like it's turning off a lot harder.
Yeah.
That's weird.
Like this?
No, like. Brake boosting.
Or something like that?
So this will be put on.
Monday or Tuesday.
Yeah, we've got to go out and see Tyler out at Ice Cold Air in Orlando anyway. He's got to evacuate the AC system for
I'm
us.
going to pick up a new exhaust.
Do what?
Go pick up a new exhaust too, or there?
Yeah, so we've got to go see Tyler, have him evacuate the AC system, put new refrigerant in it, because it only blows cool, not cold. And so what we're going to do is we're going to have him shorten that center pipe so that we can run this muffler, and so that he can then hang this. And while we're there, we'll see if we can't get, or before we go, see if we can't get a replacement for this bushing that's all foobarred. And then that way we'll have the proper hangers, the proper length, the proper everything, and then we can throw the tip out the back. And we're also going to grab an 18 GT exhaust that we're going to play with and try and have fit on Zach's car. So we'll roll out there maybe Monday or Tuesday and see what we can come up with. But for now, that's all for the old F550 work. Until next time, stay tuned. Replicate the way it was built on the factory side. So the first thing you're going to do, actually when you get it, you're going to have this retaining clip will be on here. You need